Okay, we're on the patio, and this is an exterior receptacle outlet with a protective in-use cover, which is a good thing. And looking through this cover, I can tell that the GFCI has been tripped. I cannot take the cover off. I cannot open that using reasonable force. So do no harm. It would be reasonable to assume that if you reset this, that would reset the other two exterior receptacle outlets. That's an assumption. The seller can reset that so that you can know you can bring something and plug in to this one and the one on the front exterior, and you can plug these in and you can make sure that these guys work. This guy should be sealed to help prevent moisture infiltration into the wall system. This is the electric disconnect for the condensing unit. This is what it looks like. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. Looks like it's laced up pretty good. It should be sealed on three sides. Top, and the sides. To protect moisture from entering the wall system. Over here on the condensing unit, these are your Schrader valve caps. Look that up in the dictionary. You won't find it. Those are your refrigerant, piping, service, valves, caps. So these are supposed to be anti-theft. This insulation right here, okay, that's the wrong kind of insulation since 2015. Oh, 1 second here. People want me. Good home inspection. This refrigerant piping, low pressure, is supposed to have a hard case siding on it so it doesn't fall apart like this and come loose like this. Since 2015. When was this unit built? Well, according to the serial number, it's 2018. So before this was even built, this was a different piping material required. There's different valve caps required. What else can we learn about this system? 5-ton system. $410A, that's a good thing. What else can we learn? $50-amp fuse. Okay. Take a few notes here. Five tons, 50 amps. (2018). 4 years old. 410A system, that's the good refrigerant. We want that. 5 tons, that's just a matter of sizing. I don't do sizing. 4 years. Okay, this equipment is engineered on paper to last 20 years. It might last 36. The Las Vegas is going to give you 14 years. So it's still plenty young. It's still a young man. It should be level. It's not quite level. This is your overflow drain on the cooling system. I talked about this before. But when water's coming out of this, it's assumed that's your secondary drain line. Your secondary drain line, that's what it's assumed. So when you see water coming over your kitchen window, you know that you got a problem. Turn the system off, have a technician come out and check it out. So we learned that our disconnect should be sealed as the outlet. We expect the outlet to work when the other one's been reset. We know we got the wrong kind of refrigerant piping insulation. We learned that we got the wrong kind of refrigerant valves. Let's come over here to the electric meter for a moment. Handwriting's not good. Can you read that? I can't read that. AC 23, 30 amps. Really? 30 amps. What size amps do they want on this? Manufacturer wants the largest available. And that's 50. Where's the minimum circuits? 35. This condensing unit is underfused. What does that mean to you? It means that you may get a nuisance trip. You may get nuisance trips. The breaker will get hotter, hot to 30 amps. The minimum is 35 on this. The manufacturer wants 50 amps on this. So on a nice long hot day, I hope it doesn't happen. It might not have ever happened before. But I'm telling you that that's the wrong breaker. It's the wrong size circuit for this condensing unit.